Ai Matsonga ma ka hina na maxaka na tinxaka letin'wanyana i manyanga ndzi ta kombisa ndzi return on the channel. So namuntlha, as you saw on the description, ya vulavula about the disturbing case of Karabo Mokoena. So this case is one of the most famous cases, gender-based violence in South Africa. So if by chance emotionally not strong, if by chance you've experienced this as one side, maybe could be or stuff like that, or maybe it's a most one in your life, commission booty or whatsoever, abusing one side, and it broke you down, just be warned. Cool. This one is gonna be more. Itava iri more. No, so ni vulavula hi Karabo Mokoena. Karabo Mokoena i nhwanyana laha a nga beburiwa in the province of Gauteng, a kulela kona, then na le xikolweni a dyondzela kona, hi kona laha vutomi bya yena byi nga tekiwa kona. So Karabo Mokoena i munhu loyi a nga kulela the Kloof. Let's forget about the past, like a childhood. If we say continue, you have got the issue ya ku why namuntlha ni tikuma se ni vulavula hi yena. Karabo Mokoena was born in the 27th of March 1995. Mutswari wa yena wa xisati i Lauren, not Lawrence, forgive me. Lauren, sesi wa yena loyi a va share swin'we room i Bontle. I'm mentioning Lauren Lolo, mana wakwe na Bontle, because they're gonna come back relevant ka this video. I don't want to mention the extended family, her father and all others, because the information relevant ka this story. So Karabo lava va nga kula na yena, va nga dyondza na yena, na lava nga n'wi dyondzisa va n'wi describe as someone who was smart, creative, munhu who was able to think outside the box. Vera ku nga ri munhu loyi nga ta ku u tlharihile exikolweni ntsena. Sure, man, because there are some people who are actually intellectual exikolweni, but when you talk to them about life, mi kuma ku a va tlharihangi ku fika kwala ka leswi va nga tlharihisa swona xikolweni. So Karabo was described as someone who was actually intelligent outside the box. And why ni vula leswiwani kumbexana why va vula leswiwani, you're gonna see it as we grow, as we go on ka this video. So Karabo Mokoena u hete xikolo xa yena when she was 19 in 2004, as she was born in 1995 in March 27. So look, I think she's one of the people who are privilege ya ku maybe va nghena ti university because of different stuff. I won't mention them because they are not relevant also in this stage. So she enrolled in business school xa kona ku ri Genesis Business School, laha a nga endla business studies. But anyways, loko a kha endla business studies u tlhela a hela a ya kuma license ya yena ya aviation. Aviation is more like ku drive the flight. It's a license aviation. You have knowledge, whether you're a commander, whether you have knowledge to plan a flight. Kuloko flight you want a problem you have, in terms of knowledge. So we are in la aviation license ya aka AAFSA. Ivi xin'wana lexi xi nga caught attention ya misava hinkwayo ku she was one of the people who are vocal in terms of the rights ta vavasati na vana. And as we go on, kumbela ku mi kombeta kandziyiso lowu landzelaku wa Karabo Mokoena as she was speaking about the rights ta vavasati na vana.
Anything, you're very right. No one can even confuse you because these are the words that you are confessing. It's the law of attraction.
So in October lembe ra 2016, loko Karabo was still in school, we ya hlangana na miyisa un'wanyana. I think this guy was very famous on Instagram. In nkarhi luwa genge ya forex trading yi nga nghena yi fika yi va na relevance blind before coach xi nghene hi nkarhi luwa a ku hisa. So it was in this time October 2016 la Sandile Matsogo a ni swi tivi Matsogo because yena Matsogo MATSO xi nga hlangana na Karabo. So Sandile a xikolweni xi ya dyondza a graphic design a secunda. So malembe a xi ri na 29 years old at this time. Is described as charismatic, religious, wealthy, and single. Is described as charismatic, wealthy, and single, and religious. It's probably one of the characters South Africa, and these are the guys that women fall for. Abusive, but let me not get deep into it. This one Sandile Ashirna Sati, but he presented him as single. Navanavaru Ash own a company ya forex trading live than 300 legacy. So there's a clip ya 300 legacy. Xin'wanyana nga ta ka ni nga xivuli mi nga ta xi twa ni xi vulavula ko tala hi ku damana a xi tshama sente gang ya mali loko i vanhu lava va ri na mali at that time loko i vanhu va mali. So here's the clip.
But anyway, today we are talking about trade psychology. How do we at $1 Trillion Legacy approach trade psychology? You can Google trade psychology and read what they say, but this is our take on trade psychology. Whenever you come to the forex or binary market or stock market, your ultimate objective is what?
So it was November 2016, after the relationship is only October. La Karabo felt like Karabo na Sandile felt like their relationship like a stage seva fit where she moved in with him Asante. As I mentioned, as you watch the videos, his friends second, access to Mali, so after she moved in with him in December 2016, that's where she realized, yes, I'm actually trapped in a relationship which I always advocate against. So kuya hi leswi vanghana va yena va nga report swona. Veri u sungule ku va hlamusela ku damage abusive vocally na emotionally in December, because she's taken off on here and she fine. But then it went and became physical la swi nga sungula ku tiviwa hi vanhu kumbexana hi family na vanghana vakwe hi birthday ya yena hi 27 ta March 2017. Va zame ku n'wi fonela on that day, va n'wi fonela va nga n'wi kumi. Evisanda kankari during that day. I could be there and I remember friends, people who know you, birthday. It was during that day labangare kuma information ya ku le xibedhlele ma boy boyfriend yakho kunga Karabo. In 2017 to 27th March. This is when she her family tried to convince her we had reported this thing. So she went to the police station. That was near Senten. If she fika xikumako sengwenya yi fully case against yena Karabo already. And you know maphorisa malatikweni, this is not allegations. Genge Randamal. We live with them each and every day. We drink with them. We laugh with them. So it's a realistic thing. South Africa, and it's something that I'm not proud of. Go, but they put manifest. So bafiki wa kuma already taman Sandile she fully case against Karabo. Yeah, GBV, gender-based violence already. Lay alaba ku reporta yo. If we anga for the cases I decide that I'm cool, I'm fine. I'm sticking to my principles. Kondeleleni bukutelweni, kondeleleni hinkwaswo now I'm going. Ilanga move back to your family. Hetlela na sesi wako bontle na buti wako and her family mandori. I wish some ku anta ku xitori xehelela la nhleni ku Karabo aja, but anyways we have to continue. So after Karabo went home, after a birthday and I mentioned look at 27th the April 2017. Probably that was the last birthday. So she decided go ashinga angala ku huma ngona wabantu because breakup ya baba, especially if uranda munhu and this is look baby, this is gonna be a life partner and plus una because got the relationship to the right thing you have dreams, you love each other, but but in this one there was money and you could achieve all this. So I can imagine how a pain was like. But anyways, let's pass from that. That was an opinion, it's not part of the story. See, in that 2 weeks, 3 weeks, say Karabo bangana convince let's go out, friend. Let's go out and have fun. Let's have fun, my friend. Let's have fun. Wait off, yeah, it's not your first breakup and stuff like that. And then she decided to go out at the 21, the April with her friends, via in a club which was in Sandton. I can't say Karabo, some people tipped him. No, not Sandile. Bamba tipile wangizela kuna Karabo and stuff like that. No. The club which was there, it was just like two blocks away from La Tamakona down. And you know, Kenya for Rex is always to having fun, to make sure that the hype that they have, you are going on social network, they go live, having fun, but not the innocence. So she expected from someone who was doing forex, someone who was wealthy as he was, who in a regular club. So it happened ku Karabo loka club liya. She encountered him despite leswi a nga advise swona hi vatswari whether yi va fundiseni u yi tin'angeni u yinini. She decided to speak with him. But no, I'm never got before. And I'm not saying this in a wrong way, but ba sa temi nge ba koti loko va za va rhandza munhu va n'wi rhandzini regardless ya ku wena mani ta va byela ku yini misa loyi va n'wi rhandzini. See, she decided to speak with him, and a week after Karabo went out without telling a family. Ivi se a texta mani wakwe na usiku aku ni humile nina Sandile ni nge vuyi kaya namuntlha. I don't know whether she's the one who texted or MG danga text. And it has been explained ka club leya va ri ka yona the 27 valwini, and they even got physical. Ni ringetile ku lava video ya vona ya the 27 April 2017 a ni kumangi. Probably it wasn't released loko ri releasiwini yi sale khona. So very valwini physically va tlhela but anyways he decided kwayo, this is the love of my life, I'm gonna go with her. And I wish go. It ended here, and they had the mystery of love after all these troubles. But now, the next video that you're gonna see is the last time that Karabo was seen alive. Yeah, you come subscribe. So after Karabo and Sandile went back together in the apartment, yeah, Daman Sandile. It's been reported go or lady Karabo called Karabo, and Karabo lishanga was at the 27 late that night. Was a I can't speak. Ngi swi koti ku vulavula na n'wina sweswi ni kombela mini fonela mundzuku. Loko va n'wi fonela mundzuku, which was the 29, damani lexi a nga xi hlamula loko mana Karabo va phone lava ni nga va vitana lolo le masungulo ni ngodelela. That's how she's been called in the community. U va byele ku twanani ku u suspicious njhani. U va byele ku a ni swi tivi ku u le kwihi Karabo, but a ni n'wi dlayangi. A va n'wi accusanga of nchumu, nothing. Va lo vutisa ku kasi n'wana wa mi u kwihi, because last night she told me that she can't speak to me. Then he said like, I don't know where she is, but I didn't kill her. Yeah, that's what he said. You're the Chavisa spy. So because of that call, Bajeli Siswa gone. Lui abatala swin'we were mentioned on the first video. Bontle. Then she decided she's gonna go ka hotel liya ingale Santin. What she did loko xi fika laya u fika xivutiso ku didn't you see Karabo, and it's expected. Balava va tirhaka tihotela, especially ta genge leyo fuma, yi ta na vanhu yani vo tala for the threesome, things like that. It's expected ku va nga notice. Mava se va ku we didn't see her last night, but I think lava ava clean but discover a passport na ID ya Karabo Mokoena in the dustbin. This was the 29th. And the 29th, the one is the very same day la gangi ya the brother da mom. The Sunday visited. When they visited, afike ba kumukuna met utsakamaku. And then brush off yena go I met lo utsaka met makata ku maybe like freeze on a kile se sungula ku humesa mati. Then let's call it a day off ya 29. The date vatswari sa va ri frustrated, and lexi xi nga endla ku case leyi caught attention is because of the attention from Twitter. Twitter was busy. Twitter was busy. It was retweeting and asking where she is, stuff like that, tagging steps after this. So look, Twitter is able to like, you know what happens. So like the date manakwe Karabo na maphorisa va nga ya a hotel leyi damani a tshama kona. Va fika va kombela CCTV footage, and they were actually given it. Guess what? Ngari va look subscribe. Haya mahlweni no vula ku guess what? Come subscribe.
Yini lata yini koma kama budo, yini lata
Okay, so after that video, maphorisa bang tegile the 31 but they went on bafika check that CCTV. So no why ungena yena no yena. So story sa yena ngwenye liya ku ri timhaka to the first one was ngari na yena. So they showed him the CCTV footage. Yogoswara, stop lying to us. I'm not fools. We know you were with her. Then he changed. I had a nice story. Okay, I was actually with her, but in the morning, who decided to fly to London. I bought her as a gift. Maybe last birthday, I will win and stuff like that. If you leave backfire, I got the passport later. Ningamhlomisela nakuba ayikumini wayikumana ID. So he had no other story to tell but to confess Karabo was dead. At first he said it was an accident death, but secondly he said he killed her because rifumo ra vona va ri vambirhi a ri ritual ku ri ku khela. It's either ku fa wun'we kumbe ku fa lowun'wanyana, so he had to do it. So yeah, let me repeat up here. I don't think I have more to say. So I'm just gonna put the videos that that man but they break my heart, man. Because nothing imagine if it was my child, my sister, or anyone, it would be something else. It would be something else. It's one of the few incidents I didn't get one in South Africa, then Kumba, the family and gender based there. And so I'm gonna put the other clips after, and then I'm gonna be off. So the next case, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to rate my work and actually tell me, do you think this was a ritual thing? Or someone whatever says after being abused so many times by na gang. They were booked when they see the violent behavior. I
try to be a positive influence in her life, but it's unfortunate that I came into her life at a point where things were already bad. So yeah, maybe I'm guilty of trying to build a person and being the last one there when she collapsed, So the truth of the matter is I tried my best to make the best of the opportunity. So, yeah.